Are you looking for the best applications for live sports? Check this out. Under the Find search icon, type in Downloader. Click on Downloader, get it, download, install it. Prior to opening Downloader, let's jailbreak our Fire Stick. Head to the far right, settings icon, down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, click on About. Click on Fire TV Stick about 7 times. No need. Now you're a developer. Back out. Under Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps. Download. Turn it on. This will allow download to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Head back home. Let's secure our online activity with a VPN. Back to the search icon. Type in IP Vanish. Online privacy should be quick and easy with IP Vanish. This is how we do it. Use the link in the description below to get yourself a great deal. Get it, download it, install it. Once you've created your account, log into IP Vanish. Once IP Vanish is installed, head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. Once highlighted Downloader on your remote, hit the 3-line button. Move it to the front. Do the same with IP Vanish. Highlight it, move it to the front with the 3-line button. Open IP Vanish. Find a connection near you or in the United States. Yes, IP Vanish wants to set a VPN connection. Allow it to monitor. That allows it to monitor network traffic. Yes, we trust this source. Click OK. Going to connect to Chicago. Once we're connected to Chicago, we can come back out. Click on and open up a downloader. Allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Click OK to the welcome screen and enter a URL, or in this case, a shortcut 370178. This will send you to the Led by the Unknown web page. And folks, this is how I personally get the best movies and TV shows, live TV, and sports all on my Amazon Fire TV stick. Sends us right to the Led by the Unknown downloads page. Use the 3-line button if you would like. Add current page to the favorites. Now we have a shortcut. We no longer have to wait for that 5-second redirect. Under the movies, TV shows, and live TV streaming apps, we can open up or install an application like Zumo TV. Zumo TV is available on your Android device or Amazon Fire Stick. Click on the device you need. In this case, it's the Amazon Fire Stick. Install the application. Once it's installed, click Done. Delete the APK file as it's no longer needed. We can go back to the home screen. Hit the home button on your remote. Go back to your apps and games icon, the 3 squares plus sign. Come down to Zumo Play, open it up. And Xumo Play does have live TV, does have sports, does have movies and TV shows, all available on the Amazon Fire TV Stick or any other Android device. You can tell we got movies, favorites, news, just in crime, weather, movies, sports. Sports, like I said, folks, sports. Yes, good old sports, like Fox Sports, FanDuel, golf, NBC, NFL, PGA, bunch of stuff, folks. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.